there, everybody. Hey, welcome back. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm so excited to be here and to bring you inside of our amazing community called the Digital Growth Community. Now, I've been involved in digital marketing for quite a while, and I have a lot of content out there, especially throughout my social media accounts. I've been building here on YouTube for quite a while. It's pretty much been my primary. My secondary has been Facebook, so you can also find me on Facebook. And most recently, I am having a boatload of fun building on TikTok. So those are the three free websites, the three social media accounts that I use to successfully and effectively build this particular opportunity. But you know what? It's just not about me. I want to bring you inside of the digital growth community and just show you around real quick on the wins that our amazing community is having because of this very simple process and access to the blueprint that you will get when you decide to join this opportunity, this daily pay business. Okay, so let me just go down here real quick. Okay, and you can see this is the community and this is the wins. So we're just going to go down here and you can see we are here to truly uplift, inspire, and celebrate everybody's wins, regardless of how large or small that might be. Okay? So with that being said, folks, let's go down here. $300 from an upgrade. Okay. So let's go down here. More sales coming in, 300 and 600. Now, our most popular product, let me just get this out there, is our premium $600 product that teaches you how to make at least $600 a day or more. Okay? So we just go down here. Here's a $300 commission. Coming down here, another $600 day. Made 600 today, had 6 people want more information in the last 24 hours, and I went live for over an hour tonight. I love this biz, she said, okay? So we'll just come down here, show you a little bit more. $600 in my sleep, 1,000 new followers added. Thank you for all that followed me and my wife on our TikTok. We have reached 1,000 followers on the platform this morning. Now the question is, when does my link Okay, so when you reach 1,000 followers, then you'll be able to have a clickable link on TikTok. But that's something that you're going to be learning exactly how to do and accomplish inside of the training when you get access to the blueprint, okay? Because what we're doing is we're following a simple, proven process where you get access to a blueprint that shows us exactly how to build our business the right way, folks. Okay, this is awesome. Another upgrade, another $300. More leads, successful live, a $600 ding. Update, 14.4 thousand views on my video now. So this individual's video went viral. Okay, so that's something that you're going to learn how to do, folks, and that's where it gets super exciting. Okay, so look at this, folks. $600 customer. Ding, a $450 upgrade. I can go live now. Okay, so we teach you how to do all of this. Another ding, okay? $3,000 for the day and $10,900 in the last 12 days. I mean, folks, the results are just amazing by accessing the training, the step-by-step process and training with this daily pay system and a simple step-by-step blueprint. Okay, so I'll just leave you right here, folks. This is the bottom of the first page. In the last, X number of hours today, my first $600 ding. So you can see, hopefully, what is possible. Now, I showed you this at the beginning of this video because what I want to do is I want to extend a very special invite to you to attend our webinar tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, February 8th, okay? So you're going to be able to see and hear the big picture for yourself, how this community is truly changing and transforming lives, folks. Imagine being able to have the training, the step-by-step blueprint being able to know what to do every single day. And the beautiful part is, folks, we follow a 2-hour workflow so we can get our freedom back, folks. We're using a largely automated system, and we are using attraction marketing. We are using free websites. We are using our social media accounts to build. So nope, you don't need any kind of technical experience, expertise, or skills. No, you don't have to have a following because we teach you how to start and build from scratch. Now understand this, folks. Everybody starts from scratch, okay? Everybody starts from scratch. Now, understand this too. You cannot compare your day 1 to somebody's day 300 or 365 or day 100 or day 200. But we literally are going to be taking you by the hand inside of this community. And when you get started with me, folks, this is going to be my very special added extra bonus to you, from me to you, a special gift. I'm going to extend an invite for you to register to join this amazing community. And I encourage you to truly take that invite, okay? And you're going to get access inside of everything here, folks. Getting started, the Success Blueprint. I'll just click on this real quick. I mean, see, this is everything, what to do and how to do this. And when you first get into this community, you're going to want to spend time here every single day. And irregardless of whether you first get into it, you can be in this community for an extended period of time. There's so much value here. There's so much content to help you succeed. Now, I come in here every single day, and I'm always learning, folks. And you know what another beauty is? This is an ideal earn while you learn business model, okay? And it's a rejection-free business model, all right? The way we help you to position your business largely on automation. So here's going to be getting started Success Blueprint, your first 14 days, how to be set up properly, effectively for the best results and success, okay? So that's this. We are currently in the midst of a 90-day run, our 2024 Vision Sprint. So let me just show you this real quick. See, here's videos, daily videos for you to follow. Here's day 1. We are currently at day 38, okay? So you want to go in here and you want to follow these videos. There's a video for every single day of the week. This is absolutely phenomenal, okay? And then we have additional TikTok training above and beyond what you're going to find in your back office inside of your training. This is supplemental training, folks. This is like a true gift, a true bonus, okay? This is above and beyond what's in the digital products. And there's 4 digital products, by the way, folks. We have a $50 basic. We have a $150 elite that's going to teach you how to automate your business. We have a $300 Pro, which is going to teach you how to make $300 a day. And that's going to give you access to the 6-figure blueprint. And then the $600 premium is going to teach you how to make $600 a day. And that's going to give you access to the blueprint. And it's going to give you everything you need, literally from A to Z, to run a digital business. And even if you have an offline business, folks, we are truly living now in a digital world. So you're going to learn how to transfer that brick and mortar business and offline business and bring it into the digital realm, okay, of things. Digital marketing, folks, digital products are what's trending. They're in high demand, and this is where you want to be. You want to be part of the e-learning industry because currently now it's doing like over $1 billion a day in volume. And the next 3 years, Forbes magazine has already predicted it's going to be doing over $1 trillion a day in volume, and I truly believe it, okay? This is a worldwide opportunity. Right now, there's something like over 4.8 billion people that are using social media, and we teach you how to do this, okay? So here's additional TikTok training, how to set your business up. This is your automated funnel. You're going to get access to a free automated funnel. This is what we refer to as our freedom machine, and it's going to truly give you your time and your freedom back. It's going to help you to automate your business. This is a very powerful funnel, folks, and it currently converts at around 50%, give or take a little bit. That is well above the industry average, folks, okay? Now, if you're really a go-getter, okay, if you're really a go-getter, 6 figures in 6 months, live training. Okay, so if you really want to take this and hit the ground running and take massive action, folks, dive in and dive in deep and don't quit, don't stop, and don't look back. We've already had plenty of people already accomplish this, okay? And if this is something that you aspire to do, it's right here, folks, all right? Here's additional free resources, okay? Here is how to discover your perfect customer. Folks, when you learn how to do this, how to hone in and target your perfect customer, your targeted audience, game over, okay? We're going to teach you how to do this, how to go out there and find your ideal customer. And no, we don't chase people down. We don't bug family and friends. We don't slide into people's DMs. We do this through attraction marketing, okay? How to build a faceless brand. You can learn how to do this, folks, as well, and use Pinterest. Now, currently we're using TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And then there's also, inside there's also Craigslist training inside your back office. But within this community, we focus on social media and how to brand yourself and all that good stuff, building an email list, really everything you need to position yourself for ultimate success in 2024, okay? 90-day ramp-up challenge, mentoring Zoom replays. I mean, it's all here. Here's our past sprint, and it's all here, uploaded, recorded. So this is a sneak preview of the back office of the digital growth community. Again, this is going to be an added special bonus. Tremendous value, folks. This community truly is creating so many success stories, so many wins every single day. I just showed you, folks, what is literally possible right here. So you come into the community, you click on wins, and you can see firsthand real results, real proof right here. We can't make this up. I can't make this up even if I wanted to. Okay? And then you go into the classroom, and this is where you dive in and you dive in deep and you start learning. And this is going to afford you the opportunity and ability to earn while you learn, above and beyond what's inside of your 4 digital products, totally separate from the digital growth community. So folks, in my opinion, the only way that you can lose out and fail is to do absolutely nothing after you get started, because the step-by-step video training tutorials in the products alone literally are very beginner friendly. They're going to take you by the hand and walk you through how to have success. And then you watch them. You can watch them more than one time if you need to. And then I highly suggest, my best recommendation is to go out there and take action, massive action, apply and implement, and then come inside of this digital growth community. Get busy, roll up your sleeves, get busy. I mean, there is so much here, folks, and it doesn't cost anything to be part of this. And this stuff is literally worth thousands of dollars. And I truly do mean that, folks. You are going to get an award-winning education, folks. You're going to get an award-winning education so that you can truly turn your dreams into a reality and live life on your own terms. Experience freedom the way it was meant to be experienced, folks. Get your life back. You're going to learn how to do all this in a 2-hour workflow. How to have freedom this year in 2024. Time freedom, financial freedom. Combine the best, folks. And you're going to be able to live an awesome life, okay? You're going to be able to live an awesome life. We currently have, thousands of members from all around the world inside of this amazing community right here, folks, okay? Here it is, 8,600 members and growing strong, folks, okay? So I just want to show you what is back here. The calendar, we have all of our wonderful events, all of our, mentoring sessions, training sessions, tech sessions, Zoom sessions, and weekly webinars. So I'm going to put the link to the webinar tonight below, and I would love nothing more than for you to be my guest, and you can see the big picture. You can meet the awesome members of the community and just hear more success stories about why people love this so much and why so much success is being created every single day of the week. Now, here's what I want you to do. My call to action to you is to go to my website. It's called Daily Pay with Marybeth.com. It's my freedom funnel. You'll be able to access your own. Okay, whoops. Oh, sorry about that. For whatever reason, Daily Pay with Marybeth.com. Okay. There it is. Sorry about that, folks. I think my computer was a little bit delayed. Anyways, it's been running all day. I've been super busy. But anyways, here is the funnel. Okay, this is what we're using. This is what you're going to get access to. This is converting extremely, extremely well. And that's what you want, folks. You want a high converting funnel. You want a funnel that's going to be working for you on autopilot, behind the scenes, doing all your telling, selling, and explaining for you. So this is what it looks like. You're going to be able to discover this, how you can start an online business with a proven blueprint. Yes, it's beginner friendly. There's no tech involved. No, you don't have to create your own products. But we teach you what we do teach you how to create, which is what you need to know how to create in order to be successful, to make daily pay, is content, the right type of content, okay? The right way, and so that you can turn subscribers and prospects and leads into buyers so they can become paid customers. So you can be able to make $600 per commission and keep 100% of the profit. All you have to do is enter your best email address, come on inside. Yes, send me the blueprint. I will send you the blueprint, folks. Okay, so this is it, folks. All you need to do is come on in. My link will be below. I'm going to put the link to be able to register for our 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Thursday, February 8th webinar, Digital Growth Community. This is where we are experiencing tremendous growth every single day inside of our amazing community. I'd love for you to hear tonight the webinar and then become part of the community. You're going to love this, folks. You're going to absolutely love it. My contact details are below. Personal cell, should you need to reach out to me, any questions, do not hesitate. I do welcome all serious inquiries out of all due respect. You know, if you are serious, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're just someone who's curious, probably the first step would be to come inside of my website, watch the presentations, browse around a little bit, and discover how you can start an online business, and then register for our webinar tonight. This is going to pretty much explain everything to you in detail, and you'll get to hear live in the moment why so many members are winning. I'd love to welcome you in advance to the team. See you soon. See you on the inside, hopefully, and on the webinar tonight. Bye-bye.